Alright, good day everyone, it's Gareth again from Whatchamacallit Gaming, continuing our Techtonica playthrough. Now last time we really went all out here and we built our hydroelectric power plant. But as you can see, hang on a minute, it's P. As you can see, even with 100%, we're still just not making enough juice. And the moment I expand my base in any form, even this huge power bank is just not going to be enough. I don't know if later in the tech tree we'll gain the ability, where is it? Energy. Maybe somewhere hidden up here. There's something that'll say double crank power output. I don't know. Also, I'm pretty sure I figured this bit out, though it was blatantly obvious when I stopped and thought about it. If you want to connect all your bases, oh, these spin while they're charged. Didn't notice that. If you wanted to connect all your base platforms, doing it via laying ground flooring all over the place like this must be a bit difficult. So I'm assuming what we can do is we can place a voltage auto step and then run high voltage cables to wherever we're going, which makes sense in hindsight, and I wish I thought of it earlier because it actually makes perfect sense. And then we noticed on that elevator to the surface, or wherever the heck it goes, that we also probably have to connect power to it. Okay, we will be completing these objectives and we will be investigating that, but for now I just want to make sure this is still working. Okay, it needs more mechanical components. Just want to top this up. It doesn't thankfully use a lot of mechanical components. Because yes, today I would like to build a big power bank, something that we can really use as reserve. Because I mean, these things, this chews 200 kilowatts on its own, and you need at least 5 of them to get anywhere, minimum. So yeah, oops, I got a bit lost there. The moment we start expanding in any kind of production, we are so screwed. It is placing here and it's depositing it all onto this list. Why are you so slow? What is the problem? It seems to be it's limestone. Yeah. How much limestone do these need? 50. I have 4 fast inserters, so I'm going to go here. Erase, erase. Yeah. I also need to seriously make more of these. But I haven't researched stack inserters yet. Now, normally I completely ignore stack inserters in games like Factorio especially, because they don't serve any function, they're the same speed. But as you can see, this stack inserter is fast. So it's a fast inserter plus a stack inserter is probably the recipe. So yes, I'm definitely going to probably upgrade to that at a time. Okay, that should help make more than enough of what we need, and this is also making. Okay, then what we're going to do, give me this, and give me, oh come on, that. Put one here, and put one there. Okay, that should even things out as far as production is concerned. We can start really punching out these things, because yeah, we're not generating enough fuel for power, so to fuel our furnaces, and we're going to start mining resources. Now the plan for today, let's rotate and zoom out. The plan for today is we're going to cut a hole here, and we're going to fill this ravine, or fill it as much as possible, with hydroelectric systems. Excuse me. Hopefully that should create a fairly large reserve of power. Now, I just want to check something here. Okay, so we can attach. Perfect. Am I going up? Or is that just the way the terrain looks? I think that's just the way the terrain looks. I'm still staying level. Okay, fine. Okay. Now then, here. Perfect. Okay, that was a lot deeper than I expected it to be. Yeah, getting my angles right when I cut into this rock is a bit of a difficulty. Okay, that totally backfired. So stuff it. We'll just remove all of it. And I'm going to do this. Oops. We'll build out to about here. We're going to build a step. Join it. Yeah, come on, give me that. I'll build stairs. Okay, then maybe I don't want to run it this way. I can't remember if it has to be like that to get a joint. I think it does. Let's just do it that way. Okay. Lit up, lit up, lit up, lit up. Perfect. Alright, then. Yeah, this I can easily make up. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, that's fine. That should be fine. Because I'm going to be using a lot of this material now. One, we want to go Z, we want to go flatten. I don't know how well this is going to work. Really well, because this will be our primary power bank. So, switch this back to tunneling. All the way across, just like so. Go back. That'll be our start of our walkway. Now we have crankshaft generators, we have hydroelectric plants. So, okay, let's see here. Okay, hang on a minute. I'm going to get myself confused. So let's just go out here. Look at that. Come on, I want to go to this brick here. Is that correct? Not really. Alright, hang on. Yeah, placement for this you have to actually aim at the brick, but it can be a bit confusing. Okay, I think... I need to come on over. Okay, hang on a minute. Fine, let's just... It looks like this is not going to work quite the way I want, so... 2 over. Now it has no choice. It has to go right here in the center or it's doomed. Come on. Come on. Okay. Hang on. There we go. Okay. Okay, well then let me still place blocks. Yeah, because these are 2 wide, and I think they're 3 across? Yeah. Then we'll begin placing our crankshaft generators on either side. Problem is, this whole cliff is in the way. Okay, it will flatten the ground around, but it won't eat into the existing tunnel network. Come on. I'm really glad structural integrity isn't a thing in this world, because if it was, I would have just crushed myself flat with a very large piece of rock. Okay, do we have enough parts to build more logistics area base building? Yes, we do. Oh, I think shift adds 10, right? Oh, shift crafts 130. Okay. Or something. Am I getting this right? Shift plus that. Oh. Oh, come on. Why does it say here at the bottom of the middle screen, just above where 1 and 2 are, shift plus crafts 130, but when I click, it crafts all of them. I don't get it. Unless 130 is the total production for what my resources are available, which I grant you is possible. Okay. Is this running at almost full charge? It looks like it. 150, 150, 150. Yeah, total power production is really bad. Really bad. I think we'll get this first line up and running, since we don't actually have to build anything at the moment. Oh, right, I just wanted to check that. No. Silverhorn extracts. Are we making that? No, so we gotta put another thresher here. Basically put one in front of the other. Where's this? Where are you feeding to? Oh, you're both feeding to the same place. Okay. Do I even have additional threshers? I've got them. Fine, for now you can just go here. Do we have an outward feed? We do. I'm going to rotate this thresher because I want the opposite side feeding. And I want to go here. Come on. Okay, what two products do you thresh make? Oh, plant matter. Score. Now then, can I... darn it, I've removed my boxes from this list. I'm just going to try something really wacko here. If I do this, will it actually feed? It does. Why were I putting a conveyor belt between the two? I don't understand. Where did I get that wacky idea from? Should be this one. It is. Ah, wrong one. Right one. Okay. So now we're getting this, and we're getting... Oh, it's just extracting the one, it's not extracting the other. Well, luckily there's an easier solution for this. Add more Okay, so this is producing what we need. Fortunately, feeding it back into our production line automatically is going to be a bit of a problem. Unfortunately, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to go about doing that. Yeah, I'm really going to have to at some point rebuild everything. Production. Okay, that should do that. So maybe I could just put it there and it could throw it out itself, but it's not working. It's weird, even the, filter inserter is faster than the standard inserter. So basically everything above standard inserter is faster. Okay. Well, it's all going in the same box, so... Doesn't really matter if I filter it, because it's all going in the same damn box anyway. Now then, power management. You see what I mean? We're almost maxing out power again. There really does need to be a little more balancing with power, because, I mean, you're going to end up, especially late on game, you're going to end up building enormous power generation systems. Well, there's technology that'll solve this later on, but still, it's going to be huge. That was just one more machine. Just one. Okay, this doesn't strike me as very efficient. I've got far too many water. So I've got 3 powering 4 there and 3 powering 3 here. I wonder if I can lose 1 or 2 of the... I think I'm going to erase this water wheel. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, I'll probably end up expanding this again, because we're definitely going to have to keep going down this way. Probably end up flattening out most of this area to just turn, or do I go that way? I don't know. Do I care? These are turning opposite direction of the flow of water. Yeah, that looks really weird. In other words, the water is flowing that way, and instead of turning with the water flow, they're turning in the opposite direction. They're supposed to turn that way. Now, does that do anything in the game? I have no idea. I would assume I honestly don't know if they've added water effects, because now it's, yeah, you can see it's properly. The water's flowing this way, it's catching the fin, and it's going in the right direction. Does that improve power production? Okay, so they haven't added water mechanics that if you accidentally build against the flow and you try to operate it, you get less power or worse power. It doesn't look like it. I'd really love to know what Tab keeps screaming at me about. Okay. Enough shenanigans. We've got some boosted power. We are making various items. We're not making enough items, but we're making various items. Let's actually get to the exploration bit of this and go find out what's going on at this emergency broadcast. Yeah, you see there's these power plugs. I'm assuming we have to, at some point, are going to be required to supply these things with power as well. Okay. I think I can make processors now, I just haven't automated it. So, Okay, that was where we started cutting towards, or was that an earlier attempt and I didn't actually? I think this is where I started going this way. Or did I go in the wrong direction? Okay, I think I went in the wrong direction. We need to go up. Okay, this is the wrong direction. I think this was my earlier mistake where I reached the end of the map before even finding the entrance. So I think what we want to do... Oh right, I have a jetpack. Let's go here. Okay. Oof. Right. Ooh. This stuff we need. We'll get to it. Here's more copper, but we need this stuff, but we'll get to that. Okay. Ground, one up. Why do I get a feeling I've cut... Okay, these are not going to be my best staircase ever. But he can climb it, so it's not a problem. Yeah, no problem in climbing is something that high. This person can really lift their legs. Oh, and this is a mineral source. Okay, so what we did here is we cut to more resources. Okay, that doesn't help. Okay, more resources. Check, not what I was looking for. Is there treasure? It's behind this wall. Can we get to it? I don't know. Treasure is there. It's down the shaft. Can we cut around this and into the side? I don't know how far this resource vein progresses. So I don't know if it's just a small bit that we can see, or if the map designers hid more behind large rock faces, but it looks like it's just a small bit we can see. Where am I now? Okay, I want to continue straight and then I'm going to come in behind. Oops, I don't know if I actually should go. Oh wait, did that do anything? No, we appear to have hit a wall. Okay, so that's specialty rock, we can't cut through it. This rock we can still cut through. Oh well, we might as well make use of this this inefficient cut, and make a flat section of wall we can, mine off. Okay, we want to go about here. Okay, can we cut alongside this? No, okay, whatever that landscape is, it's not cuttable. But we can build now a platform that'll let us cut through most of this. Okay. Okay, now we have access to this deposit. Not the best access, I'll admit, but we now have access to this deposit, so we can probably fit 1, maybe 2, 3 miners? We'll have to see how I lay this out. And we still have access to it here. And then we'll probably build this as an independent outpost with its own power supply. Because, yeah, what we've got now isn't going to cut it, so we could probably build a hydroelectric point here. Alright, zoom out. NC broadcast is that way. The river flow, I think our best bet is to follow the river. so emergency broadcast is this way. Hello. Signs of civilization. Okay, there's signs of civilization all over this place. Where do you lead? Because I think... Okay, so we didn't actually have to go around. I just went around. Like, oops. Oh well, it doesn't matter. One thing's for darn sure. Eventually, we're always going to end up at main base. Because we literally cannot get lost. I've cut so many tunnels into this rock. It's not down below, it's there, so... Something tells me this is going to be a bit of a cut. Okay, because following the water stream is easiest because, well, the water just... Looks like this rather small river goes quite far. Oh, we can't cut through here, and we can't crouch. Or can we? Okay, we crouched. Awesome. I didn't know if we could. So this rock is not cutting, so... Don't ever do this in real life, you'll die. Just gonna put that warning there. There have been a lot of people who have climbed through narrow chambers like this and gotten themselves killed. So please don't. Well, that breaks the immersion.
Warning. Impenetrable material detected. Origin unknown.
If you can manage to get through Great Stone, you have done what no amount of drilling, explosives, or human ingenuity was ever able to accomplish. Even looking at it gives me a small headache. Probably from the million hazy windows trying to punch through. Trust me on this one. Turn around and walk away. It wasn't meant to be.
That was a very nice touch by the creators of this game. It breaks the immersion to suddenly run into what is clearly a man-made wall in the middle of a game. But the way the AI goes through it and describes it, that was a nice touch. Oh, damn it, I think I'm stuck. Please don't be stuck. Come on. What the heck just happened? Ah, come on. Oh, dagnabbit. Oh, thank goodness. Come on. Get back down. How did I crouch the first time around? Don't tell me I have to cut my way all the way back. It looks like it. Oh, darn it. Well, at least I'm not stuck. That's some good news. But yes, that was a very nice touch by the creators of this game. It does break the immersion to suddenly run into a wall. Having the AI actually talk about it like it's something that's common to this world could lead to a lot of theorizing. So yeah, that was a nice touch. And then there's another canyon. I can't figure out where this emergency broadcast is. Every time I try to approach it, I get stuck. So I'm wondering if I've got the paths confused or something. One thing's for darn sure, we're not going to need limestone and sand by the time I'm done here. Can I not crouch? Okay, there. I think he's supposed to crouch automatically, and I'm not getting it right, so... Hello. Oh, it's way below. We're going to have to cut down to it at some point. Pretty sure these are secrets we're supposed to put tons of effort. Do we care? Oh, come on. Okay, hang on, let me just... Okay, I can't zoom out anymore. This tunnel, I think... Okay, no. That's another one. I think the other one was on that side. Okay, I'm just going to turn around. I'm not going to fight with this, because this exploration has ended up with us almost getting permanently stuck in a cavern, which is why, really... Real life, I know there are people who enjoy doing this, but don't. Spelunking is a fun thing when it's a completely controlled environment, but this is something, while it looks cool, I will never do. I can promise you I'm just going to get stuck. Okay, where does this tunnel go? Oops, I forgot to shift. Way up high. Okay, this actually leads to where we've been already, because there's a deposit of materials here. There's another treasure chest? Okay, let's do some digging. I want to see what's in this treasure chest. I will admit, only the first treasure chest we got was actually rewarding. All the rest were pretty boring. Am I even cutting? Yes, I am. And let me guess, we're freaking miles above it. Okay, let's just keep going for a bit. Where? Okay, I think we're just one wall behind. Ah, ha, ha. Ooh! Ooh! Yes, please. Okay, that was a nice gift. We got an Assembler Mark II. Now we know there's Assembler Mark II technology. Without having to unlock it. Okay, this is another huge copper deposit. I think if we go back this way... Yeah... B is this way. There doesn't seem to be any natural caverns. I'm not 100% sure where this broadcast is coming from. I was hoping there was a pathway, but it looks like they expect us to cut our own path. Okay, where the heck was the tunnel I dug? Oh, right here. My attempts to get to this emergency broadcast have so far failed miserably. It can't be in this tunnel. Okay, let's go back to that underground tunnel I dug. Because it should be at this height, yet I'm not... Have we gone down this path? No, we haven't. So let's go down this path. See where it leads. Okay, we can't. Can we duck? No, we can't. Did I try cutting through here? I have no idea. Okay. Hope we have a suit. Okay, is that... No, that's on the wrong side of the map. EB is here. Everything points to here. Okay, let's try cutting through this section of the wall. I'm confused. I'm looking for an emergency station and I'm not finding one. Like, at all. Let's go this way. Okay, I think I'm just going to use that trick I used when I was having to get the research spheres off the ceiling. I'm just going to pile up a bunch of steps and see where that leads us. Because this is clearly for resources. This is not for anything else. We'll go here. Because I've been circling whatever this anomaly is, this problem is, and not getting anywhere. Where are we? Here. This has got to be EV. It doesn't actually show up as an installation. So. Okay. Can we not build here? How the heck are we supposed to get here? Yeah, we can't interfere at all with the center of this cavern, so I don't know how we're supposed to get up there, but for now, I can't get there, so we can't cut through the rock, we can't climb, we can't mine through the raw materials, so yeah, I don't understand what we're supposed to do. I just want to check there was, where was this? Okay, that's the Atlantean deposit, because that's this green stuff. I just wanted to check if there was another deposit on the other side. Where am I going? I'm completely lost now. I need to go this way. Looks like we need to get into that room, but how to get into that room, I don't know. I don't know if we're supposed to approach it from another direction. I don't know. I just want to check, was there not another deposit? Okay, there looks like... Still gonna harvest limestone, but so far I've been getting so much with the rock extraction, it hasn't mattered. Where is this? What's supposed to be in here? Okay, that's for fuel. Okay, this is where this resource is coming in. Okay. No problem. These are all full because, well, production is pretty much stagnated temporarily. Which is awesome until I can upgrade the belts. Can't upgrade the belts. Okay, I was hoping that was more about that material, but it's just a labor request board. We don't need to worry about that. I'm glad we're getting biological material because, yeah, there's plant matter, because I was worried we're going to harvest this whole place dead. Wow, this thing has really stagnated a bit. Okay, one sec. Alrighty then, let's see what do we want to do. We want to expand power production. We want to do that, but not right now. Keep that production. We want to harvest Atlantean ore. That was what my objective was. I wanted to check, because I remember there being another Atlantean ore deposit. I think this way. That other ore deposit on that side may be the closest source. But for now, I just want to double check the one on this side quick. Basically, how difficult is it to get to? How much space is around it? If it's got plenty of space around it, then I'm going to use it. If it doesn't, then... yeah, this deposit, which I think is over here, is way, way further away. What's over here? This is iron, okay. And then there was that water place which we got to from the bottom operation. And then there's Atlantean ore deposit on the corner. Okay, I'm just going to go with the one we've already got. And I think I'm lost. I'm glad they at least included a map, because jeepers would I get lost a lot in this place. But don't tell me I'm lost again. And how do you miss a cliff? It's right there. Right, we have 0 mining operations. Can we build more? We cannot, because we don't have the components. Also, I just want to swap that production center to a tier 2, since we have it. And then we can use that for the various components we want to build quickly, or things that take forever to build, like these water wheels, which we're going to need enormous amounts of. I'm not sure if I'm just bad at base design, and that's why this isn't working, but yeah. Okay, these are my assemblers. I just want to quickly swap it. This, can I do a direct upgrade? No. That's unfortunate. I was hoping we could just do a direct upgrade, but we cannot. Water wheel. How much faster is it? This will take? It doesn't actually give a time, which is unfortunate. I don't know how fast per each production is. But it's fine. We have it now. Okay, Atlantium ore production, which involved making mining components. I need iron frames, which I now have, and iron components. We are making power bricks. I think this one has made... Okay, we can just take that. Okay, so everything is getting fuel, so that's not a problem. Now then, I've got water wheels, I've got crankshafts, I've got belts, I've got everything I need. I may have to come back for more resources at a later stage if we run short. But let's get this brick melting, and then we'll probably figure out building a furnace on the other side, or we'll build a furnace in this area. I don't know yet. Okay, here's some more... What's it? Copper. And there's a facility down below, but I think I've already cut my way to it. I have not. Okay. But we'll get to all that. Where is the tunnel I want? The tunnel I want is over this way. Okay, let's put some proper lighting. Actually, let's just flatten this area. Can we not flatten this area? Is this part of the landscape? Yeah, this is part of the landscape. Can't do anything to it. Okay. Just basically leveling this area for production. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Awesome. How far does this extend? Does it extend this way? Doesn't look like it. Okay, so we only have small areas of access here. I hope they give us a filling tool soon, you know, so we can actually level and flatten ground more efficiently. Okay. One there, put one there. No, I'm not going to see that. Put that up there. That gives me a rough idea of where we want to be. We're going to have to supply this with fuel or build a box in a crate and supply it. I don't know. We'll see how it works out.
Extraterrestrial material detected. Advanced mining drill or upgraded tool required.
Bad plan. That plan sucks. Breaker, you're going to build and place as many mining charges as it takes to blow this wall into the next sector. We need to get to that distress call as soon as possible.
Aha! Okay, that's not what I was expecting, but okay, so we can't actually mine this stuff. Well, actually, let's just try and mine it and see what happens. Just out of curiosity, we'll place a mining drill right here. We'll dump some fuel in it, and it really is not happy. Okay, what does it take to build mining charges? Because I know we... Oh, have I unlocked mining charges first? Construction? Okay, it's not there. Is it under terraforming? It is.
Task inbound. Mining charge. Manual placement and detonation required. Unihus work suit shielding in effect.
Manufacturing those mining charges is going to require shiverthorn extract. You'll find shiverthorn out by the warehouse, and you can work with it the same way you work with kindlevine. Plant it, thresh it, and thresh it again.
Yep, I already have some, and I'm already producing. Kinda scored in that respect. Yeah, fuel for these things is not a problem. The hiccup we're actually running into is I think they're getting full. Okay. Just want to check power production. Okay, that's more like it. We have some reserve power now. So we're not totally... what does it take to make mining charges, and where are they? Here they are. 3 things. Okay, we may want to swap... For now, we may want to just cancel this. Switch it to mining charges. Get what we need for it. 500 of this. Oh, you might as well give me the plant extract as well. Wrong. Right. Oops. Have that. You can have this. You can have this. Salt. Okay, and we want plant matter fibers. That may be a problem. Because what's going in is going out almost as quickly. So we'll just take this. Okay, that should be plenty. Give me these water wheels. Oh, we have now plenty of water wheels. Okay, this thing's faster. Way faster. This was a good find. Okay, we'll have our boomsticks in a minute. Got plenty of these items. We've got plenty of power. Okay, while we wait for that to produce, let's double our power production. Again. Just to play it safe, since I'm waiting for it to be built. Okay, we're in line with this. Okay, I'm just going to disconnect temporarily. Flatten. Flatten. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, normal circumstances, destroying a wall support in a cavern, very, very bad idea. Luckily, this is a game, and we don't care. We just want flat ground. Picture perfect. It's going to be a bit cramped on this side, but it shouldn't be a big problem. Or have I got my placement wrong? I've got my placement wrong. Okay. That's fine. And it actually gives us a path to gain access to, so that's nice. Actually, let's do it from this side. Come on. It's actually harder from that side. Perfect. Now we don't have any power production problems, and won't have it for quite a while. And by some dumb luck, we can just go up these stairs. That is very cramped, but there's not much I can do about it for now. Probably could have pulled things a bit, like 1 or 2 steps forward, and then the stairs would have lined up with that center path, but I'm not going to worry about rebuilding all that right now. Let's go get our bombs. Bombs are nice. See what the heck we can do with those. And let's just grab our plant matter here. Add it to our 4th list. Okay, so we can plant it like that. Alright. Looks like we're about to blow that raw ore into powder. So we're going to have to find another source of raw materials, but so be it. Hopefully the game has additional sources of that stuff somewhere in this map. I know there's one on the far side, so we shouldn't be too bad off. We still have this small source here, so that's not a problem either, but we can only like put 2, maybe 3 miners there. Okie day. Maybe we don't actually have to blow this one, because I was digging this tunnel. That did absolutely nothing. Okay. See here. How do we detonate this stuff now? Because if I place it here, you can see I can remote detonate. But here I can't. I wonder if I have to place a certain amount? I can't. Okay, it looks like the game has a very specific and practical place it wants us to place these bombs. So right now I've got a ton of high explosive in the wrong place. Okay, not going that way. Not going that way. Going this way. Where the heck am I supposed to place these things? Bugger. Yeah, because these charges I can't get to detonate. Okay, let's try here. That looks like it was the right place. Okay. And this facility has fallen on its side. Cooling system, well, copper wire is easy enough to get to.
Task inbound. Supply facility access door with self-repair materials.
This door has another self-repair requirement, but I'm in no position to find one. This is an emergency. If you haven't started making those yet, get going.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, looks like whatever this was fell on its side. How it fell on its side, your guess is as good as mine. Can we scan this?
Welcome, groundbreaker, to the Excalibur. Proceed to your designated safety area and prepare for descent. We are bound for our final destination, Sector Victor. On arrival, preparations for our scheduled ascension will begin immediately. Do not delay in exiting the vessel.
This is a ship? That'd explain why it's on the side, but we're kilometers underground if that elevator is at all accurate. Okay, I don't know how to get rid of these mines. Ah. Okay, you could deconstruct them. Perfect. Okay, that answers that question. Man, is this an awkward place. Alright, let's go get the resources we need, which is not difficult. Copper wire is easy. We just gotta build more of those cooling fans, which, where were they? Base building, logistics? No, they were intermediates. Ah, we've got everything. We can just use our fast assembler quick. I'm not gonna build a dedicated line until we actually need to really get into it. So when we use it to make something else, then I'll build a dedicated line. Okay, jetpack is slow. Go fig. Let's get into that door and see what it looks like. It looks like we've got a ship that crashed. The problem I'm having is we appear to be several kilometers underground. So, yes, that's a problem for a ship. Unless it's some kind of tram? Train, perhaps? I don't know. We can't see all the structure, so I have no idea. Yeah, we don't need any more mining charges. Thank you. We need this. We have plenty of mining charges. Thank you very much. Oh, it took them all. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay. You can have that. Oops, wrong one. Right one. You can have... Was there not plant matter here? Did I put the plant matter back and not take it? I must have. Whoops. Yeah, it looks like production in this respect is not a big thing. Because, yeah, we're only using 2, but these are here if I need them, because I did start off with them, so that's not going to be a problem. Okay, journey log, repairing the door, that's going to be easy. Okay, that one's harder. That one's, we can maybe do. This one we can do. So we'll get to repairing these doors as we go along. Oh, award, construct 20 cooling systems. Well, that works. Excalibur. Flying space bathtub. Okay, so it is a spacecraft, and it is trapped several kilometers underground. Makes me wonder how long we've been down here. Because that strongly suggests we have been down here a very long time. If in the time period between us going to sleep and waking up, not only all the infrastructure has been destroyed, it's long enough for stalactites and stalagmites to grow and bury an entire ship kilometers underground. Oh dear. Oh dear and dear. Sorry, we're just waiting for the cooling fans. I could probably get more out of the storyline. Is there... okay, we've only got 9% of the storyline. We've got 62% of the equipment and 68% of the flora and fauna. Okay. And 20%... okay, commission, there's nothing under commission. It's just the Paladin, which was just that emergency broadcast we tried to do. Okay, so we still have to find... I mean, of the actual main quest, we're like 9%. In several episodes, so wow, I am going slow in this one. Okay, that's enough of that. Advanced circuitry, I just wanted to check intermediates. We can make processors, but we can't actually make advanced electronics yet. Keep going till you use up all the resources, it doesn't matter. We'll probably need these cooling fans on some other major project. And then we'll switch that back to building research cores, because we still haven't unlocked. Do we still have some research? Yes. Monorail system we haven't unlocked. Conveyor belts. Terraforming, we still need to scan these technologies. Synthesis. Requires blue core. Okay, don't have blue cores. Blue cores unlocked. Ah, here we go. Wow, okay, that's going to set up... we'll have to set up a dedicated line to make that. Probably going to want to do that. We'll just unlock this, because that's pretty much all we can unlock with our current research. And then we are going to start unlocking... we'll make 120 cores to unlock blue cores. And if we go to base building, we can now make... okay, it's not under base building. Is it under production? Yes, it's under production. Cool. Let's get into this emergency broadcast facility, whatever. This spacecraft. Buried, and I'm thinking several kilometers underground. So it either hit the ground very, very hard, or it's some sort of hybrid. I know I watched an anime, one of those short sci-fi clips, where the spaceship was a spaceship, it was an airplane, it was a boat, and a tank all in one. And a submarine, don't forget that. So it's like 4 things in one. Quite cool until it got eaten by a giant monster. Then it was slightly less cool. Okay. Oh, right. This is going to be fun.
Lots of memories rushing back. For a moment, I thought they were distorted, but now I realized it was something else. This place is sideways.
Completely sideways.
This the scanner. I belonged to the expedition. That factory and all those people I was expecting to find. They were a part of it. This area.
Okay. Some more power wheels, water wheels, and another upgrade unit. Can we scan this as well?
This locker is empty, but the scanner can pick up molecular traces from things that had in it previously. Even if they don't unlock new technologies, scannable objects like these can round out your data bank with background information. Keep an eye out for them.
Will do. I just want to see... is there any... was that crate really all we were trying to get to? Was that it? Oh no, here we go. My bad. I didn't even see it. Wow, this place is trashed. Yay, we're unlocking more mole tech. Is that a central... Oh no, that's a hologram. Okay. It's not a central power core like I thought. Oh, we want to scan it. Okay.
Very acrobatic of you to find a way up here. This navigation sphere is inactive, but your scanner was able to pull a data bank entry from it.
Okay, can you... Okay, so, and the expedition... Okay, so we got broken entries of something. Wow. Oh, hello. That guy is dead. By several years. Can we get him? No. Hope I haven't just gotten myself stuck. Ugh. Anything scannable? It would help, lady, if you tell me who was in that chair, but I'm assuming you're going to explain stuff to us when we go out of this place. There's a lot of raw material here. If I could recycle this whole ship, that would be nice. Also, what's the point of this chair? There's no control consoles, there's nothing. There's screens, and lots of people to give orders to, but... maybe a manager director or something. But he can't do anything. We came in on this side. Okay, so I'm sorry to say that was a bit of a bust. How do we get back up? Jetpack only lets me go so far. Unless we're supposed to somehow fall? Oh, okay, I think we're supposed to go down. I think this is where that tunnel I cut is supposed to help, and we're supposed to fall down? Where's your exit? Right here, under my freaking nose. How did we not fall in that hole when I fell down here the first time? I jumped off there. I should have fallen straight into it.
This is Colonel Stefan Wagner. Your shield is failing to transmit a signature. Identify yourself.
Paladin? Sir, you're alive.
In much the same way that you are, it would seem. It is a strange thing to be a witness to your own lifeless body.
I was unlucky enough to end up next to mine too. Yeah.
I'm not sure what we are now, but I know somehow that I am still myself. I'm conscious. I'm choosing these words. My experience of this loss is emotional.
I'm in no better shape than you are. And Miss Breaker has something wrong with their suit. For all we know, they could be a stack of drones in a trench coat. Either way, at least we've got a body to work with.
Precisely. For now, we must focus on goals that we can achieve. If the sensors from my command bridge were correct, our manufacturing in Sector Victor has been compromised. How far has your exhaustive reconstruction progressed?
Exhaustive reconstruction? Sir, it's the entire sector.
My apologies, Sergeant. I did not realize you had more pressing commitments.
We're rebuilding, sir, but mostly to focus on recovering signals for search and rescue. We can't reach command. We don't have orders, and for all we know, every sector could be exactly like this one. Gone.
Sergeant, your unit could go for months without direction from the surface. That's what deep reconnaissance is about. That's why we chose you to lead it. The resources we came here to harvest, refine, and bring home to Earth are still needed. There is no hardship we can face that does not pale in comparison to the strife that will be visited upon humanity if we fail. Until we learn otherwise, our mission to industrialize this world remains. And rest assured that we will rescue everyone we can to help us accomplish it. But we will accomplish it.
I understand. Either way, sir, we're going to give it everything we've got.
Good. Now let us find our friends.
Like I said, got to the end of the story before I even started the beginning. And yes, I am a sack of drones in a trench coat. Thank you very much.
Mining drills are unacceptable. Why are you not utilizing the Mark II?
We never had the parts down here to fix them when they broke, sir. And Atlantum was extremely good at breaking them.
Extremely disappointing. The entire purpose of our science team was to adapt our technologies for such purposes.
I know they were working on some kind of Mark II Part 2, but it also sounded like they were making the whole thing up. Probably turned out to be more difficult than they thought.
We shall see for ourselves.
Local signal deciphered. Ingress RD3215. Report to production terminal Victor for triangulation.
Okie day. Let's do that. But like I'm saying, it looks like we've been down here a very long time. So I'm a bit confused on the timeline of this game. It gives the impression that we've been down here at least 100 years, based on how much everything is decayed and how much everything has grown over, but I have no idea. We'll have to see if they explain that later in the game.
Signal triangulated. New location added to HUD. Heavy interference.
RD. I wonder if we've gotten there and I haven't realized it. Okay, we missed. Oh, this must have been added with the new concrete mod. So this is all the new concrete stuff. Wow. Okay, we'll come back to this. I may just steal the vertical lamps. Because yes, please. Thank you. Okay, we'll put this here. Let's try one. Way better than what the primitive lighting I've got set up. Okay, let's dismantle all this lighting and put some proper lighting in place. Okay, so that must be with the oops, it's concrete mod. Patch, sorry, not mod. Why do I always think things are mods nowadays? Well, I just add too many mods to my games. I know I'm playing MechWarrior with like 43 mods and it doesn't run as well as it should. So yeah. Okay. How do we go about it? Okay, we'll place these in between because we want to shine a light on existing structures. Let's place one here. Is the angle of direction wrong with these lights? They don't seem to light up quite as much as I was hoping. It's not bad, it's just not very good. That's it. I mean, it's not bad, but I mean, the lighting could use a little more brightness. Okay, that's my check. Okay, that's pretty much everything for this episode. We got our power management solved, we managed to gain access to the spacecraft, and we acquired a new, I don't know, spectral cube? So, yeah, we're not doing too bad. I suspect everyone we're going to encounter is going to be spectral cubes, so I hope everyone's enjoyed this episode, and you all have a wonderful day. This is Gareth from Whatchamacallit Gaming, out!